how to pronounce the name of our Gaelic metalcore band. So it is Gun Rul. Gun Rul. That second part is a R. It's like the back of my tongue is essentially covering my throat. R. Rul. And Gun Rul translates to without love, because metal. You might know already the Gaelic word for love is gul, so ha gul akamorst, I love you, G-A-O-L. Outlander may have taught you that. But as you will have noticed, that word has a random H in the name of our band. So this is called Lenition. It's very common in Gaelic, and it's the letter H after a consonant, which then changes the sound of that word. So gul becomes rul, and the trigger for Lenition, or one of the triggers for Lenition, is prepositions like without. But here's the thing, I'm not that bothered if you don't say it right. I've got some good friends in the Glasgow music scene, and one of them in particular with a strong Glaswegian accent will call the band Gun Ghoul. At new Gun Ghoul, so that's pure class, man. I know what you mean. How is the fashkul yard?